pull up this block.
Go ahead.
Just give it a rotation. Just one? Give it a couple rotations, you know, rotate it. Like, hey, bro, I'm excited, bro, but I don't want this to blow up.
We promise it won't, bro.
It won't.
They don't even got a fucking battery in it.
You ain't got an ECU in there either.
Damn, I bet you check his heart rate is fucking. Yeah, I was like, I mean, I knew it was battery related, but like, come on, bro, you gonna take advantage of my naiveness? I'll be right back. Alright, ECU, don't forget. Need a battery.
Okay, so heads up, next time you do something, make sure you connect your grounds, because as you can see in this video, by not connecting the ground, I actually ended up causing a spark, and simultaneously, I also had a fuel leak as well, so that could have ended up really bad. So yeah, make sure you guys check your grounds, sand them down, and make sure they have a nice solid connection.
Is that what was y'all were saying?
Yep, I bet you anything. Probably arc the battery.
Holy shit.
And that lit the God.
Turn it off.
Make sure you do your brake lines, gentlemen. That first startup you did was fire.
Oh, did you get that on camera? Yeah, that's pretty lit.
It's pretty lit when your whole motor comes up.
Did you get it on the camera?
Yeah.
Take two. Alright, here we go.
I'll plug the battery.
All right, turn it on so we get fuel pressure first before you turn it over. Make sure that we're not leaking there. All right, no leaks. Go ahead.
No arc either.
Keep going. That sounds healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
One.
go ahead. Do one more. Look at that, man.
Yeah, here we go.
Hey, when it starts up, if you hear anything, yell, kill it, okay? Don't be too quick to shut it off. If it starts up and runs, let it run for about 5 seconds or so, 5 to 10 seconds, count. Once you hear boom, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, go to 10 seconds, and then we'll shut it off and check the leaks. Hold on. Go ahead. Was that you?
No.
Alright, yeah, you got some adjustments to do, but
Yeah, it runs.
yeah, you got some adjustments to do. You got some idles between idle air control.
I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I was shaking in that bitch. Oh my damn, man.
At first, I hit. He's like pissed himself.
Man, I already told y'all, I'm not playing, okay? Whatever I lay hands on, it works. Whatever I invest myself, it works.
That is not correct.
Now I'm just playing. A lot of stuff actually goes bad, as you almost saw in this video. My stuff almost blew up. I'm telling you right now, guys, yo, recheck your grounds, recheck your fuel system, check everything, because things can just go kablow. And all your hard work, all your money, gone. So, hey, like I said, yo, recheck everything before you do anything, even like priming it, because any kind of spark, anything can just pop. So, hey, if you care about your money, care about your time, check that stuff. So hey, this ain't it, y'all. The build is done, but that don't mean that's it. I'm telling you right now, I got a whole bunch of stuff lined up. This weekend, I'm gonna do some wild stuff. I'm telling you right now, you guys will not guess the next build. Try to guess the build, I'm telling you right now, you guys will not see it coming. But again,
I saw it coming.
I'm gonna stop saying it, but last time, thanks for watching. Smack that like button. Nah, everybody say that. I want y'all to, I don't know, man, just molest that, don't it, nah. Yo, no, not even violate, man, just, so thanks for watching. See y'all in the next.